Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this chapter, we'll study about alternative current and their applications in our day-to-day life. Some of the applications of alternative currents which can be seen in our daily life are radio, refrigerators, television, transformers, power transmission stations, in cars, etc. We will also try to understand the implementation of AC in all the electronic appliances which we use. In radio, tuner circuit plays an important role. The tuner circuit uses LC circuit, which is same as AC circuit. In TV sets, small transistors are used to regulate the voltage so that a TV is not harmed during voltage fluctuations. A refrigerator has inbuilt stabilizer to regulate the voltage. Most appliances in our house use AC power supply. Voltage transmission over long distance is very important application of AC. This can't be done with the DC current. Accelerators are used in the cars to charge the battery. Accelerators are application of AC current. And now we are going to discuss about alternating current. Alternating current is defined as the current that varies like sine functions with the time. The value of a current will be oscillated between a maximum value and a minimum value. In case of AC, the current is changing its magnitude at every instant of time. The direction of a current will be clockwise and anti-clockwise, which it will be kept on repeating. Frequency of alternating current is defined as how fast the electrons are changing their directions. For example, if frequency is at 20 Hz, this means electrons are moving back and forth 20 times in a second. DC voltage gives rise to DC current. Similarly, AC current will be produced with the help of AC voltage. Alternating current is expressed as I is equal to Im sin omega t. Here, Im is the maximum or peak value of AC. Alternating voltage is expressed as V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Here V is equal to peak value of voltage. Causes of alternating current. When a rotating magnet is considered instead of steady magnetic field, then both the poles of the magnet will keep on changing. As a result, the direction of electrons also get reversed. This results oscillation of electrons which give rise to current, and this current is known as alternating current. AC as a sine wave function that has been given here. Comparison between AC and DC. Direct current and alternative current. In direct current, electron flow in one direction. In alternating current, electron flows in both directions. In direct current, magnitude remains constant. In alternating current, magnitude varies with time. In direct current can be stored in batteries, but alternating current cannot be stored in batteries. For example of direct current is batteries. Example of alternating current is generators and mains.